बिग बॉस 13 के घर में एक ऐसा पेयर बना था जो हमें आज भी बहुत पसंद है। वो पेयर कुछ ऐसा सा था जिन्होंने वहां रहते रहते हम सभी को मोह लिया था। हम बात कर रहे हैं हिमांशी खुराना और आसिम रियाज के बारे में, जिन्होंने बहुत ही ओपनली नेशनल टेलीविजन पे अपने प्यार का इजहार किया था। आसिम तो यहाँ तक कि हिमांशी को शादी के लिए प्रपोज करते हुए भी नजर आ रहे थे। बट इट सीम्स लाइक कि अब हिमांशी खुराना किसी बात से नाराज हो गई हैं हमारे फैंस से। हिमांशी खुराना हैज बीन फाइटिंग फॉर जेंडर इक्वालिटी। शी हैज बीन क्वेश्चनिंग एवरीवन आउट देयर कि व्हाई इज इट दैट आसिम रियाज इज नॉट कॉल्ड एज बॉयफ्रेंड ऑफ हिमांशी खुराना, बट हिमांशी हैज बीन एड्रेस्ड एज गर्लफ्रेंड ऑफ आसिम रियाज। इट सीम्स लाइक कि फैंस को ऐसा लग रहा है कि कोई और बात है जिसके कारण हिमांशी परेशान है। Ever since Asim and Himanshi have fallen in love with each other, they have been setting some relationship goals for everyone out there. Even though Himanshi made a few cryptic posts recently that hinted at some problems in their paradise, she soon cleared the air and told that everything is completely fine. However, now the lady has expressed concern over how she is addressed by a few sections of internet. Calling for equality for women, Himanshi has questioned why is she always called as and addressed as Asim's girlfriend, while he is never called and addressed as Himanshi's boyfriend. On Twitter, Himanshi wrote, "Why is it always girlfriend of Asim Riaz and not boyfriend of Himanshi Khurana? I know there is nothing wrong in this and I'm proud of this, but about the same time, females are also working in this industry. They share their part of struggle. Why is it always about man?" Well, she does have a point out here. This tweet of Himanshi has called for a mixed response from the netizens. While many of them are supporting her, saying that it's strong and respect worthy, some are even making few sarcastic comments over her relationship with Asim Riaz. A netizen wrote, "With all due respect, being a woman myself, I totally stand by her words in terms of equality. But honestly, there is nothing to be offended out here. आप भी ऐसे प्यार जताओ, स्टैंड लो असिम के लिए, अच्छे कमेंट्स करो असिम के लिए, आपके लिए तो ऐसे भी एक न्यू चैंपियन ही है ना." One of the fan also mentioned, "Don't play unnecessary woman card. #Asim Riaz ki girlfriend." Some of the fans were also seen supporting Himanshi Khurana, as one of them wrote, "Yes, we know that you're self-made and strong and lady that works, and we love you for that, and we respect you, ma'am, for that thing." There were very much mixed responses from the fans. Some of them were supporting Himanshi's point of view, and some of them were actually bashing her point of view. Meanwhile, Asim recently showered a lot of love and praises on Himanshi as a new song Bazaar made it to the internet. अगर देखा जाए तो हिमांशी की बातों में कहीं ना कहीं पॉइंट तो जरूर है, लेकिन वो इतना बड़ा पॉइंट है कि वो इतना ज्यादा अपसेट हो गई है, ये हमारे फैंस और ऑडियंस को शायद समझ नहीं आ रहा है। You do tell us if you agree to what Himanshi Khurana said. If you actually agree to the point of equality out here, and if you think that she's correct in saying why is it that a girl is always addressed by a boyfriend's name and a boy is never addressed by a girlfriend's name. Do tell us in the comment sections below. Until then, stay home, be safe, and keep following telechakkar.com. Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.